Hello again. So I have an Anthurium here that I need to repot and replant. It needs some new dirt. I can tell just by looking at it. And yes, but anyway. So this one is now looking mighty healthy. The leaves are good and strong, and they can actually hold themselves up, where when I got it, they could not. It was extremely weak. So yes, that was a lot of watering, finding the right light for it and that, but now it needs a new pot. It's readjusted to its new environment. So let's give it a new pot. I've already got the dirt mixed up. Let's get to it. I'm gonna bring you a little closer. Okay, now I'm gonna see if I can show, where's a spot that I can maybe, let me get another bowl. Now this is the pot that's gonna be going into. Now let's see if I can do this without damaging any roots, because I don't know if this plant is root bound or not. Just want to take a spoon or a knife, kind of maneuver the dirt a little bit. Okay. It's really not difficult to repot a plant. Okay, now let's see what kind of shape this plant is actually in. Okay, so it has lost a lot of roots. But it has some new ones starting. Let me see if I can show you guys this. Okay, you see these nice little, these are nice healthy ones here, these little white ones. These ones here are the older ones that are definitely dying. But it has signs that it is trying to live again. So we are going to do our best to help it live again. So let's get that pot out of my way. I don't want to take too much more dirt off of that. And okay, I'm just gonna set that guy there for a moment. And then we're gonna try and get that root ball without breaking too many of its new little roots. Oh, nope, I didn't dig down deep enough. Okay. I hate when I do that. There we go. There we go. Just gotta dig down deep enough. Now I know some people do it the opposite. They put the plant in, then start putting dirt in around the plant. I like having that base down at the bottom to start off with. Everyone's a little bit different on that. Now I am packing the dirt down. I'm not pushing it terribly hard because, like I said, I don't want to damage those roots any more than what they are. Because we want it to get a nice healthy root system on it again. Explains why it's not in bloom. Because this should be in bloom by now, but it's not. And that right there is why. The roots aren't happy. The roots aren't happy, the plant is not happy. Okay. So there's that. I'm gonna move this out of my way. I'm gonna stick this back in there. I'm gonna give him some water. Oh, he'll need a little more water than that, but I'll do that off camera. And there we go. Now I'm gonna put him back where I had him, and he will stay happy and healthy, and we'll get him blooming again. I'll give you guys some updates on these plants too. So I hope you guys enjoyed.